Why, hello there, everyone. The Robot Fighter's here. Today, I'm going to give a tutorial on how to turn or convert the voice of My Fireman Robot by hap-p-kid to be converted into the voice of the 2010 version that was sold at Toys R Us in a combo pack with a policeman. So here is the version I have's audio. This is like the 2002 and 2003 audio track.
Ready for rescue operation. We need to help. Red alert, red alert. Let's get moving. Red alert. We need to clear the area. All are safe.
Okay, that's the original audio, but what I'm going to show you is my conversion. I have it playing, but here's the thing. I want you guys to hear my converted version. Just pay attention to the voice. So basically, you guys can hear the audio, sort of, because the volume is a little bit down, but what I'm going to do is turn up the volume so you could guys hear the conversion of the voice. So give me a second. Let me get that one to end because it's turned down to hear the full effect. I have the treble to the highest, so give you a reminder, okay? Alright. So, here's the conversion. Ready? Here we go.
Sustain.
Okay? Okay? So now, I'm gonna redo it again.
Navigation. Browse. Track controls. Button.
So,
Navigation.
we're
Button.
gonna redo that again. And here's
Play.
the thing.
Record. Metric. Select settings.
I'm gonna
My sample
change
7.
how it actually
Tracks,
sounded
output,
because
track 100. Track -0. Mute. Solo. Button. Plugins at compressor. 100%.
alright, give me a second, guys.
97 40 20 0.
Okay.
0 20 40 7 90
Give me a second. I have to go to 480 for this. And I have to mess around with the effects.
Navigation.
So
But
I'm
browser.
trying
But
to...
selected. Rewind. But play. Button. My sample 7. Button. Heading. Navigation. Browse. Selected. Track controls. Button. Track controls.
Alright, guys. So what I'm gonna do is redo the phrase again. And then I want you guys to hear the differences when I convert it.
Browser. But track control.
Alright,
Keyboard.
give me a
Chord,
second.
Escape keyboard. Octave. Record. Right loop handle 40. Octave. Sustain. Off. Button.
Alright.
Sustain. On.
So here's what I'll do. I'm gonna play the conversion, but in low volume so I don't spoil it. So give me a second. Give me a second. Let me put my camera down. Because I made a... Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Wait. We messed up a little. Hold on a second. Wait. Hold on a second, guys. Hold on a second. Actually, I'm going to turn it up a little so you guys... I think I got it. Let's see. Nope. Okay. I'm going to get it right. Hold on a second. Help. I think I got it. There we go. Kind of. Alright. Alright. Let's redo it. So here's the full audio, and then I'm going to show you the voice conversion.
Ready for rescue operation. We need to help. Red alert. Red alert. Let's get moving. Red alert. We need to clear the area. All are safe.
And now I'm going to play my conversion. Alright, give me a second. Okay. Here we go.
Ready for rescue operation. We need to help. Red alert. Red alert. Let's get moving.
Alright, here we go.
Red alert. We need to clear the area. All are safe.
Alright, so that's how I do the conversion.
Play that song.
So, if you guys want to try
Selected.
that
Record
with other
button.
toy
Octave.
robots,
Record. Right loop. Record. Octave.
feel free
Sustain.
to do it and then tell me in the comments
Sustain.
below how it came out. So, thanks for watching and goodbye.